Good morning everybody, glad to see you all. This is Mujibur Rahman from Raghu International School. We build you, you build the nation. Well, so in our previous video, we learned how to frame positive sentence in the present simple. Right? Right? And I have already given homework. So I asked you people to frame as many sentences as you can on your own, right? I hope everyone has done this homework. In this video, we are gonna learn how to frame negative sentence. We learned positive sentence in the previous video, how to frame that. Now, here we are gonna learn how to frame negative sentence. Okay, negative in the sense, what comes to our mind first? Okay, yes is a positive answer. No is obviously negative answer, right? In the same way, here we just add not. Here not indicates the negative in the sentences, right? So I have written here do plus not, do plus not, do not, do plus not, do not. Contractive form of do not is don't. Contractive form of do not is don't. Well, so to get a clear-cut clarity, let us look at the structure I have written here, how to frame negative sentence. First, subject as usual comes in the beginning. Next, do or does. It is according to the pronouns that we have taken in the sentences. Okay, if you have taken I, they, we, you pronoun, obviously we use do helping verb, and if you have taken he, she, it pronoun, so we should use does auxiliary verb. Okay, after this we must add not, do not or does not plus v1. Okay, do not or does not plus v1 plus object. Okay, let us look at the examples, we will get an idea. So subject I, pronoun we have taken, and helping verb do we have taken because pronoun I is picked in the sentence. Next, not, as I have told here, do plus not becomes do not, and contractive form of do not is don't. Okay, so that is we have that has been written here. I don't read newspapers daily. I don't read newspaper daily. Okay, this is a negative sentence. Look at here. Subject we have taken, do plus not, don't we have taken, v1 verb we have taken, and the object follows as usual. Okay, I don't read newspaper. Look at the second example. They don't drink sufficient water. They don't drink sufficient water. Even here, they is a pronoun. Don't we have taken do because the pronoun is they, and as usual we have added not to the auxiliary do, and it became don't. We have taken the contractive form. Contractive form we have taken, they don't drink sufficient water. This is the second example. And the third one, we don't harm animals. We don't harm animals. Even here we have taken pronoun we, the same contractive form we have used for the pronoun we, and v1 has been placed here, and object follows as usual. We don't harm animals is an example. Look at the fourth example. You don't come to school every day. You don't come to school every day. Even for the pronoun you, we use the same contractive form for the negative sentences. You don't come to school every day. Okay, I hope everyone has understood till here. Once again, look at the examples and the structure and match them. You will get a clear-cut idea. See, as for the subject, look at this. Subject I is there, and do we have taken because pronoun is I, and not not we have added because that is negative. So I don't V1 read, okay, newspapers daily is an objective, okay, and match this structure to the second example, okay, subject is they and don't contractive form has been picked because the pronoun is they here, and V1 we have placed here and the object as follows, okay. In the same way third and fourth examples are stick to. Next, okay, for the pronouns I, they, we, you, we have taken don't contractive form in the negative sentences, right? Now what if we deal with the pronouns he, she, it? If we deal with the pronouns he, she, it, what contractive form do we have to take is doesn't, okay. For the pronoun he, she, it, doesn't contractive form has been taken here, right? So even here look at the structure, subject he, because subject is he here we have taken does not, okay, does plus not does not, contractive form of does not is doesn't, he doesn't help his sister, object, okay, object is placed as usual, okay. Look at the second example, she is a subject here, next doesn't, even here we have taken doesn't because pronoun is she. For the he, she, it pronouns we use doesn't, I, you, the pronouns we use don't, okay. She doesn't eat ice creams, okay, she is a subject, doesn't, contractive form we have taken does plus not does not, contractive form of does not is doesn't, she doesn't eat V1 and ice creams is an object. Next, it, here in the previous video I had already told you that it refers the things or animals. So it doesn't stay at home on Sundays, it may be a pet dog or else whatever the pet animal. So it doesn't stay at home on Sundays. Even here pronoun is it, so we have taken doesn't contractive form as it is a negative sentence. Stay at home, stay is a V1 form of the verb, at home on Sundays is an object, okay. Has everyone understood? I hope everyone has understood. So if you look at this structure, if you follow this structure you can frame number of sentences on your own, okay. So what you have to remember here is, so you have to remember what pronoun you have taken, what contractive form, sorry, what auxiliary you have to take, okay. If you have taken I, they, you, we pronoun, these four pronouns you must take don't as a contractive form in the negative sentence, okay. Do plus not, I do not is a, I do not even you can say. So let us use the contractive form, modern English, don't, okay. They don't, we don't, you don't. Has everyone understood? Don't is taken only for the pronouns I, they, we, you. So when it comes to pronoun pronouns he, she, it, we use doesn't contractive form in the negative sentences. He doesn't help his sister, she doesn't eat ice creams, and it doesn't stay at home on Sundays, okay. Look at the difference between these three pronouns and those three pronouns. Only for these three pronouns we use doesn't, okay. In place of he, she, it pronouns even you can take nouns, okay. In place of he you can take Sam doesn't help his sister, you can take even noun. Even in the place of she you can take noun, in the place of it you can take any animal or else things, okay. Yeah, in the same way even there you can take nouns instead of pronouns they, we, okay. If you want to take any nouns there should be plural because they refers plural, even we refers plural, and you refers singular as well as plural, I refers yourself, Okay. I hope everyone has understood this and this, and if you follow this structure, you will be able to frame number of negative sentences on your own. Okay, the only thing that you need to remember is don't and doesn't. When do we use don't and when do we use doesn't? It is very simple. Don't is used for I, you, we, they pronouns. Doesn't is used for he, she, it pronouns in the negative sentence. Okay, I hope everyone is clear till here. I want you to please copy the structure as well as these examples so that you will be able to frame on your own sentences by using this structure and these examples. Please copy this in your notebook.